Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new exercise. Exercise number 2.5 of chapter 2, fractions and decimals. So student, first question as you are seeing on the board is written already. Question number first is saying student, which is greater? कौन बड़ा है? We require to find. हमें ये निकालना है, हमें ये पाना है कि in given two decimal numbers which is greater and which is smaller. And you know student, in both decimal numbers we need to use the greater smaller symbol, and greater smaller symbol, for the greater and smaller we use only one symbol. This is to the greater number, aside of the greater number we use the mouth of the sign, and aside of the smaller number we use the tail of the sign. So student, how can we compare of two decimal number if given which is greater and which is smaller? So student, if we talk about the solution of this question, so as whole number, according to whole number we compare the decimal number also student. One by one digit we compare here. First is we have 0.5. I am using the box, and in this box I will use the sign of the greater or smaller. 0.05. Now student, we compare it one by one digit. This is the whole number part and this is the decimal part. Whole number part we compare with whole number part of the second decimal number, and decimal number part, each digit of the decimal number part we compare the decimal number part of the second decimal number. So student, first is 0, 0, 0, it's equal. By the whole number part we can't say which is greater and which is smaller. So now we take the decimal part. First digit is 5 and first digit is 0. After the decimal point, in first decimal number, first digit is 5, and after the decimal point, in second decimal number, first digit is 0. So student, that's all. From here you can say which is greater and which is smaller. 5 is greater or 0? You will say obviously 5 is greater. 5 is greater, and 5, this 5 is present in this decimal number. So student, this decimal number is greater and this is smaller. To the side of 0.5 we use the mouth of the sign. It's okay student? So very easy student. Now you not need to compare this 5, and you can write the 0 in the last. Now you will compare the 0 and 5. There is no need, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Only in 2 steps we can tell that this number is greater or this. So student, as same student, we can say that 0.5 is greater than 0.05. It's my answer student. Very easy. As same student, we solve the part number 3. 7 or 0.7. Student, you know 7 we can write like this, 7.0. This is the whole number, or 0.7. Now in both decimal number we compare one by one digit. Firstly we compare the whole number part. This is 7 and this is 0. In one step we can say that which is greater or which is smaller. 7 is greater than 0 and 7 is present in this decimal number. So this is greater. You can write in statement form that 7 is greater than 0.7. It's right student? As same student, we solve the part number 5 student, sorry, 2.03. We use the circle in middle of both decimal number. 2.30. 2.30. One by one digit we compare here. First digit 2 and 2. Both are same. We can't say which is greater and which is smaller. Now we take the second digit 0 and this is 3. In 0 and 3 you can say that 3 is greater than 0 and 3 is present in this decimal number. So this decimal number is greater and that is smaller. And you will write in statement form 2.03 is smaller than 2.30, or you can say as opposite 2.30 is greater than 2.03. It's okay student, very easy student. I hope you have understood this question very well. So come to the next question student, that is the question number 2, and remaining part of this question you will solve in your fair copy. इसके जो remaining part है वो आपके homework है and you will solve in fair copy. So student, this was the very easy question. So come to the next question student, question number 2. Question number 2 is saying student, express as rupees using decimal. Question number 2. Express as rupees using decimals. I'm taking only 2 part student of this question. First 7 paise and I am taking student second part also. 7 rupees 7 paise. 7 paise. So student, part number 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5 is homework for you. ये आपका homework है. Student, we require to convert in rupees of the given values, and given value is paise and paise rupees both. Given value is given in rupees paise and paise only. As same, you will solve the part 3, 4, 5 in your fair copy. So student, if we talk about the solution of this question, so student, we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. And 1 paise and 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. You know. And student, if 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, then 2 rupees is equal to 200 paise, 3 rupees is equal to 300 paise, 4 rupees is equal to 400 paise. How can we convert rupees into paise? Rupees को पैसे में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? Multiplying by 100 in the given rupees. दिए हुए रुपए में 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? पैसे हो जाएगा. And if you require to change पैसे to rupees, then you have to divide by 100. पैसे को रुपीस में करने के लिए, look here, this is trick. रुपीस को पैसे में कन्वर्ट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 100. एंड पैसे को रुपीस में कन्वर्ट करना है, डिवाइड बाई 100. इस ट्रिक Very easy. 7 पैसे. First part, we know that 1 पैसे is equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. So 7 पैसे is equal to 7 upon 100 rupee. And student, how can you divide 7 by 100? You know this is the whole number and we can use the decimal at the last of the whole number, and we can write the zero, many zero after the decimal point, and you need to divide by the 10 type number 100, and 100 has 20, so decimal point will slip to the left side 2 digit, so we get student 0.07 rupees. As same student, you will solve the part 2, and part 2 is we have 7 rupees 7 paise. This is the rupees. Question is saying to you that you require to change the given value in rupees, and this is the rupees. So you will not touch this value because it's already given in rupees, and second value is given in paise. You will change this value in rupees and you will add 7 rupees which is given already. So student, we know that one paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. So 7 rupees 7 paise is equal to, this is 7 rupees, you will write as same, plus 7 paise, 7 upon 100, and when you will divide 7 by 100, you will get 7 plus 0.07, and at this value student 7.07 rupees. This is my answer. In this way student, I have solved these two part, and remaining part of this question is homework for you, means part 3, 4 and 5. As same student, according to these two parts, you will solve the part 3, 4 and 5 as same in your fair copy. So I hope student you have understood this question very well. So come to the next question, question number 3. And question number 3, student, I am going to write. If you have book, then you can see and you can read the question yourself. I'm writing the question number 3, student. Express five centimeter in meter, 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer also, and kilometer. This is the question. This question has only two parts, student. This is the first part, and second part as same you will do according to this part. which I am going to solve before you. So student, question is saying to you, express 5 centimeter in meter. Means you need to change centimeter into meter. Centimeter को मीटर में चेंज करना है. And which value you will get after changing the centimeter in meter, that value you will change in kilometer. आपको 5 सेंटीमीटर को किलोमीटर में नहीं करना है. Firstly you will change 5 centimeter in meter, and that's value which you will get after changing centimeter in meter, that value you will change in kilometer. So student, you know, if we talk about the solution of this question, so you know student, we know that 1 centimeter is equal to, we require to convert centimeter into meter. So firstly we take the centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. If 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100, then 2 centimeter, 2 upon 100, 3 centimeter, 3 upon 100, 4 centimeter, 4 upon 100 meter, and we require to change 5 centimeter in meter. So student, 5 centimeter is equal to 5 into 1 upon 100, or we can write directly 5 upon 100 meter. And you know, this is the whole number, and we can use the decimal point at the last of this whole number, and we can write as many zeros as you like. And this is 1 0 type number, and this 100 has 2 0. So decimal point will slip to the left side 2 digit. Why? Because this 100 has 2 0. ये 2 0 ये 100 में है और मैं 100 से डिवाइड कर रहा हूं, तो डेसिमल पॉइंट 2 डिजिट लेफ्ट स्लिप करेगा. एंड वी हैव 1 डिजिट ऑलरेडी, एंड 1 डिजिट कम पड़ रहा है आपको, सो वी इंक्रीज 1 0. सो वी गेट स्टूडेंट 0.05. This is meter. This is meter. Now we have changed 5 centimeter in meter, student. Now this value we require to change in kilometer. इस मीटर को हमें किलोमीटर में चेंज करना है. मीटर को किलोमीटर में चेंज करना है. And you know, and we know that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. You know, 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Then 2 meter is equal to 2 upon 1000. 3 meter, 3 upon 1000. And 0.05 meter is equal to 0.05 upon 1000. It's very easy. So 0.05 meter is equal to 0.05 into 1 upon 1000, or we are writing directly 1 upon 1000 student. Now student, you are seeing that in denominator is 1000. So this 1000 has 3 0. So decimal point will slip to the 3 digit left side, and we have only 1 digit. So we increase 2 0 also here. Then you will get 3 digit. जब आप स्लिप कराएंगे तो आपको मिलेगा क्या? 0.00 and 0.05. 1 0 ऑलरेडी है, एंड 3 0 आप स्लिप कराएंगे, स्लिप होंगे तो 3 0 और आएंगे, फिर डेसिमल पॉइंट यहां यूज करेंगे आप. दिस इज किलोमीटर. दिस इज किलोमीटर. सो स्टूडेंट, इन दिस वे यू विल चेंज this value in meter first, and after this kilometer. So I hope student you have understood this question very well. According to this, as same student you will solve the part second of this question. So come to the next question student, that is the question number 4. Question number 4, very easy student. As same question number 3 you will solve the question number 4 also student. There are many parts are given of this question. I am taking only one part of this question student because this is very easy. So question is saying to you student, express student in kg. Very easy student. I am taking the first part, or we are taking the third part of this question. Question is saying 4 kg 8 gram, and remaining first part and second part is homework for you. ये आपका homework है. As same student, you will solve the first and second part. So if we talk about the solution of this question, student, you require to change in kg. दिए हुए वैल्यू को किस में चेंज करना है? kg में. But there are two value are given here, kg and gram. So you will not touch the kg. Why? Because we require to change in kg. So we will not touch the kg value. I will change the gram value in kg. So student, we know that, आप क्या जानते हैं? 1 gram is equal to 1/1000 kg. ये तो हमें पता है. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1/1000 kg. Therefore 4 kg 8 gram is equal to, you will not change this value because this value is already given in kg. So 4 plus 8 gram, 1 gram 1/1000, 2 gram 2/1000, 3 gram 3/1000, 4 gram 4/1000. So we write for the 8 gram 8/1000, and you can divide easily. This is the whole number. You can use the decimal point here, and you can write many zero after this decimal point, and this 1000 has 3 digits, so decimal point will slip to the left side 3 digit. 1 digit is already present here, so we get 20. So 4 plus 0.008, and now we can add it 4.008 kg. This is my answer. So student, it was very easy. According to this part, you will solve remaining two part of this question, student. So I hope you have understood this question very well. So come to the next question, student. Question number 5. Question number 5. Write the following decimal numbers. Write the following decimal numbers in the expanded form. Very easy, student. There are 3 parts are given in this question. I am taking only one part. First part, student, I am taking here 20.03. How can we write in expanded form of this decimal number? So, student, if we talk about the solution of this question, so you know this decimal number has the 2 part, whole number part and decimal part. And in previous classes, you have already write the expanded form of the whole number. Means you need to write each digit with place value. That is the expanded form. अगर आपने हर डिजिट को उसके प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ प्लस साइन लगाकर राइट किया, दैट इज द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. वेरी इजी. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द वंस and this is the tens, you know, because this is the whole number part and this is the decimal part, and the name of this place here you have written the 0, that is the tens place. Tens place, TENTHS, tens place, and this is hundredths place, this is hundredths place. ये hundredths place है और ये tenth place है. प्लेस तो आप सभी को क्लियर है. I have discussed in my introduction video. So, student, how can we write in expanded form? This is the tens. So, you can write the expanded form in one line. This is the one-liner question. Expanded form of 20.03 is equal to, this is the tens place digit. So, 2 into 10. It's right. Plus, this is the ones place digit. So, we have to multiply by 1. 0 into 1. Plus, now we are going to talk about the decimal number part. 0 tenths. 0 tenths. So, 0 into 1 upon 10. It's right. And now we are talking about the hundredths place digit. So, plus 3 into 1 upon 100 means 3 upon 100 you can write, and this is 0 upon 10, and that is the 0. So student, this is the expanded form. This is the expanded form of this decimal number. Very easy student. With place value you need to write the each digit. हर डिजिट को उसके प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ राइट कर दीजिए प्लस लगा करके. दैट इज द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. सो स्टूडेंट, टुडे आई हैव डिस्कस्ड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 5 ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. सो स्टूडेंट, इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल डिस्कस क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, 7, 8 and 9. So thank you student, thank you very much.